Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be my favorites for the month of March. I know it's a bit late, but better late than never. So these are the products that I've been enjoying using, or I've been reaching out more often. So I'm going to share a couple of them with you, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you're interested in knowing the products that are my favorites for the month of March, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by skincare, and the first product that comes in my hand is VLCC Sandal Cleansing Milk Skin Defense. It is for normal to dry skin, deep cleanses and soothes the skin. So this is how it looks like, and the price is 140 rupees, and this was sent to me by VLCC. And I generally use cleansing milk to take off my makeup. This does a good job of taking off the makeup, but I would suggest it to not use on the eyes, because if it goes in your eyes, you're going to have a red eye. I mean, it will really burn your eyes, and that is the case with most cleansing milks. You shouldn't be using it on or around the eyes. So the fragrance of this one is sandalwood. It's quite strong, but I think it's okay. Usually cleansing milk can also be used by people who have dry skin, so that they can cleanse their face and do not use any other face wash or a foaming face wash after that. So what I usually do is, if I want to take off my makeup, I use this on a cotton. I take a little bit of cotton, I pour a little bit of cleansing milk, and I wipe off my face, and it does a good job. But after that, I do use a face wash, and everything is gone, everything is clean. So this one is really inexpensive, 140 rupees, and I think I've also reviewed it on my blog. I think it's decent. If you like the fragrance of sandalwood and if you're looking for a budget friendly option, this is the one you should go for. The second product I'm going to talk about is from the Eco Beauty range. So I was invited by Oriflame for their Eco Beauty range launch, which is a range of skincare products which are made of natural ingredients. They are paraben free, cruelty free, and all the products that they have used, all the ingredients that they have used has been sourced from our very own India, from Kerala. So if you follow them on their Instagram or their Facebook page, you would know that they did put a video where they showed how their ingredients are sourced from Kerala and all the stuff. You can check that out. So I had gone for the event, and I had a chance to try out their entire skincare range. So they have a toner, they have a cleansing milk, they have an eye cream, a moisturizer day cream, and a serum cream. So this is the product which I really like from that range, and it's the Eco Beauty toner with rose and chamomile. Now this is a bit pricey. This is 200 ml, and the price is 12.99. The bottle is really huge, and I have been using this toner. In between I had stopped using, but I have really large pores on my face, and it's summer, so I really needed a toner. So I was happy I got this. So I've been using it quite a lot recently. Although if you see in the bottle, there's not much that has gone, because you really need a small amount. So I use it on a cotton ball, and I just wipe my face after I cleanse my face, and I follow this regime every night. So I have been using this, and it has been working great for me. I mean, the smell is also very mild and very, like, those Ayurvedic kind of products, the smell comes, so it's very nice. And if you have oily skin, and especially for summer, you should try this. It's a bit pricey, but it's totally worth it. I really love this one. Now that was a skincare, and I'll move on to some makeup items I have. So I'll actually start off by this eyelash curler. This is from Devo. So I had a couple of eyelash curlers which I bought from my local beauty shop, and they were like 50 or 70 rupees, and they had no branding on them. So in one of my fab bags which I had received maybe in 2015, I think, so this was one of the items in the fab bag. So ever since I started using this Devo eyelash curler, I haven't looked back on to any other eyelash color. They do not give a separate rubber band extra along with the box that it comes in, but so far nothing has come off, and it does a good job of curling my lashes. I definitely have always have an eyelash curler with me because I have droopy eyelashes. So unless I mean use this to curl them and then apply mascara, it does not make a hell of a difference. So if you're looking for a budget eyelash curler, I don't remember the price. It may be maximum 150 rupees. I'll mention it in the description box. So this is a really good budget friendly option. The next product I have is Oriflame, the one loose powder. It's in translucent. So this is how it looks like, and if you open it, it has a sieve inside, and there's a sticker out there, so it does not come with an extra puff, a mirror, nothing of that sort. So this powder is very smooth, and it does a great job of blending into the skin. Like if you can see, it's really smooth. So whenever you apply foundation, any cream, anything, either you can go for a translucent powder so that it does not alter the color of the foundation, or you can just apply this to mattify your face. So both ways I think it works really great. And prior to this, I've never used a translucent powder. This is a bit pricey. I think it's around 800 rupees. The exact price I'll mention in the description box, but it's really nice. The powder is finely milled and it does not have any funky smell to it, which I really like. So if you haven't checked this translucent powder out, if you're looking for one, you could go ahead and check this out. You can check it, you can buy it online, or you can go and purchase it from any Oriflame consultants across India. So yes, this is my favorite, and I think you should go ahead and check it out. The next product I have is the Island Kiss New Lip Moisturizer Stain. Now if you follow me on my Instagram and my blog, I was one of the first bloggers to review these. These were sent to me, so I have also reviewed their previous variants. There were three of them. One was lavender, one was cherry, and one was pure berry blush, which was like a tinted lip moisturizer. So I have reviewed those as well. I have tried those as well, but if I have to compare those and these are way far better than those, because the formula is different. It's a little bit thick, so it adheres well to the lips. Also the color is it shows up much better. Now this one is little lighter, and because I have pigmented lips, so it won't show very vibrant, but it still does a good job of showing a color on the lips. And this one is more pigmented. This one is called Black Rose and Grenade Rouge, and this one is called Flamingo Pink and Peonies. So let me see if I can do a quick swatch now. These are basically like tinted moisturizers, and they smell and they taste delicious. Wow, I just love the smell. I'm a bit struggling out here. Okay, so we get that. So this one is Flamingo Pink Peonies, and this one is Black Rose and Grenade Rouge. So can you tell the difference? This one is so red and vibrant. This is like an orangey red, and it really looks beautiful on the lips. I've worn it many times. This is paraben free, cruelty free, made of natural ingredients. I think each costs around 500 rupees. And I had also done a giveaway on my blog, but sadly very few participants were there. So if you would have followed me or participated there, you would have had a chance to win these. So 3 winners already got these lip moisturizers. But anyway, you can go ahead and try these. I will leave the link from where you can buy this in the description box. So this is definitely my favorite, and this is perfect for summers. The next product I have is the Oriflame, the One Lips Sensation Matte Mousse lipstick. So this is one of their first liquid lipstick, and I really like the formula. It's very lightweight, the smell is amazing, it feels comfortable on the lips. This particular shade, I think it's called Satin Rose. This is a perfect everyday pink color, Oh my god, I just love this. I'd worn this to one of my cousin's wedding, and when I checked the pictures, it was looking so pretty. I'll just do a quick swatch. So the wand is like that flat, and I'll show you how the color looks like. This is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful dusty flowery pink, and it smells amazing. I really love the smell of this one. It smells amazing, sweet, and it's not overpowering. And they have a ton of other colors as well. I have reviewed it on my blog. I'll link it in the description box so that you can check the swatches. Also, there are many YouTubers who made videos with swatches of these. You should definitely try some of these lip matte mousse, especially this color if you are a neutral lipstick lover. So the only drawback I found in this range that there was no nude or brown color, which you know everybody's crazy about. But nonetheless, this is a great lip product. You should definitely go ahead and check it out. The next favorite I have is nothing related to beauty or anything of that. It is this tattoo bracelet that I have. So I have seen many people wearing this. I remember when in the 90s, I did own this type of tattoo bracelet and choker. It had a butterfly over here. My auntie had sent it to me from abroad. So this fashion has come back like many other fashion trends. So you get this for 30 or 50 rupees. Like in Mumbai, you will find it at Kolaba. Any of your local shops, you'll find this. So it looks really pretty dainty in my hands. I also have a necklace. I'll sport that in some another video, but yeah, I like this one. And lastly, something, if you follow me on Instagram, you would know I'm crazy about these chocolates, and these are these Falero chocolates. So they cost only $1 each. So there are two flavors I have. One is strawberry and one is guava. The strawberry one is my favorite. It tastes amazing. So it's like the squishy kind of candy, and it's really soft and it's pulpy and it's heaven. I really love these Falero chocolates, and I keep on buying them. Of course, if you're diabetic or if you're watching your weight, then these are not the chocolates you should try. But I'm really obsessed with these. I really like the flavor, and the fact they are 1 rupee only is something which needs to be considered. And if you haven't tried Falero chocolates, go ahead to your shop and go ahead and buy this, and let me know in the comment section or on any of my social media how did you find the taste. So yes, my friend, these were my favorites for the month of March, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some information or something educative out of it, and I would love to know what are your favorites. In case if you make a video, do tag me or let me know in the comment section what kind of products you have been enjoying using lately. If you're new to my channel, hi, please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos from me, and hit the bell button so that you are notified each time I make a video. I am a beauty blogger. I have been blogging for over 4 years now. This is my 5th year, and making YouTube videos is something I recently started. In case you want to follow me on my social media, you want to check my blog, all that information will be mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are. Until next time, take care, bye bye.